The zip function in Python. This lecture focuses on the zip function, syntax and examples, and on unzipping values. The zip function is inbuilt in the interpreter and returns a zip object. This is an object which has a next method that returns a tuple. If we pass to it two sequences as arguments, it takes one from each and pairs them up. If one sequence is shorter and exhausts first, it stops pairing further. Here it takes two lists with the values 1, 2, 3 and red, green, blue and zips them together. 1 pairs with red, 2 pairs with green and 3 pairs with blue. Have you seen a Ziploc bag? The bag that they use to store food in because it keeps the moisture out? A zip object is much like a Ziploc. It takes real data and zips corresponding values together. The zip function takes in any number of iterables. These can be lists, strings, dicts, or literally any object with the iter method, even if it's only user-defined. Let's understand this with examples. When we provide no arguments and convert it into a set so we can see the output, we get an empty set. This is an empty iterator. With a single argument, the list 1, 2, 3, it creates tuples holding the individual values. Now, if we provide multiple arguments of the same length, lists 1, 2, 3 and A, B, C, it pairs 1 with A, 2 with B and 3 with C. Similarly, with 3 arguments, it creates tuples of 3 items each. Finally, multiple arguments of different lengths, say lists 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, we get 2 tuples 1, 3 and 2, 4. 1 pairs with 2 and 3 pairs with 4. Since the first list is smaller, it exhausts first. If you wish to keep the extra items, you can borrow the ziplongest function from itertools. The extra values get paired with none. If you can zip values together, you can also unzip them with the asterisk character. Pairs is the name we give to the set of zipped tuples for these 3 lists. We unzip pairs into the variables nums, letters and chars. Printing them gives us the original values. Let's do this again, but with lists of unequal lengths. We zip the values into the variables 1 and 2, and this gives us 1, 2 and 3, 4. 5 has been lost. This was all about the zip function. Can you think of one situation where you would use this? Let us know in the discussion forum in your LMS.